Welcome everyone to the weekly close for NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones, and we're gonna see what we might expect for the next week. So, guys, we are continuing very massively toward the downside. Wave 4 here is finished very shallow. That's understandable based on the wave 2, and I believe that the market is in panic soon. What I think that currently on Friday today, investors are getting out. All right, so be careful. Everyone is selling right now because the threat is so high. The threat is so high. The tension in the Middle East is really, really high. All right, like never before. It's not like the past months. It's worse. So therefore, we are looking for something very bloody. Yeah, very likely. And I believe that this red zone is gonna be taken next week. All right, so the market opening might be even much worse. So be careful and take your position as well in a safe way. What I see here is not just a diagonal; it can be even a massive impulse wave 3, 4, and a 5 to start a bloody move toward the downside for wave 2. It can be a deeper wave 2, of course, not necessarily only the 0.38, but we're gonna start with this as usual, step by step, but I believe that this can be taken easily. Yeah, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this can transform it. Yeah, this can be a 1, 2 there, and the massive wave 3, 4, and a 5. So we gotta be very careful what is going on here, and keep an eye open for this signal there. Yeah. So basically, I'm still looking for lower. The probabilities are going even higher into a 70% for bearish against 30% here for the bullish. And this might increase, of course, on Monday. Once we break the 1 to 1 pip level, we go 80%, guys, bearish. We'll see how this is going to unfold. Trade safe and take positions as in a safe mode. Basically, for SPX as well, we're looking for something for lower there. We continue the drop. Wave 4 perfectly finished. No invalidation taken, 7,477. And we might continue 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 here. And yeah, basically, I'm looking here again. Higher probability is going back 70% against 30% for the bearish side. This can be, of course, I would say this would be your perfect confirmation for something very low there, that will bring us directly to 75, 80%. And we might see the 7K for SPX, guys. All right. So next week, we might be around the 7K 100. Yeah. And the market opening, of course, might create a gap on Monday. So be careful. I'm not here just like saying like some predictions, but because of course I'm following the news, guys. This weekend is going to be tense in the Middle East. All right, it's gonna be a full-scale war, unfortunately, but yeah. Oh, this is what is going on right now. Is the facts around the world. So trade safe, guys. For Dow Jones, Dow Jones is looking coming back here again after this recover for the gap here. Basically, yeah, there is a risk, of course, there is a risk, but a risk, of course, to take this 1.618 again, because if this will be taken, guys, then okay, it's a confirmation for lower there, and we might continue the drop downward. Yeah, so but basically, I'm gonna wait for it to give higher probability for the bearish here because I still see a perfect expanding flat here, finished A, B, and a C, and then we push for higher. Now, if we break it decisively here, then okay, or even like just breaking it massively like this, then done, guys. You don't need the up and down here. All what you need is to break the slope. Okay. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen with Dow Jones as well, guys. So trade safe. I wish you a nice weekend and be careful with your position for the next Monday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.